going back for another load? Yeah. All right. Are you in dump truck working hard? Are you in dump truck working hard? Fill it up all the way. There's lots of snow to move. Arlo's gonna get rid of the big pile of snow in front of the driveway. Super Bowl Sunday, February 2. Groundhog Day, they call it. He's got another load. He's coming through with dump truck has got another load, folks. Sun decided to show. There he goes. Dump your load right there. You can dump your load right there at the end of that snow. That's a good spot right there. No, right there. No, right here, Arlo, on this sidewalk. Right on this sidewalk. Not over there by the steps. Yeah, right there is a good spot for dumping that load. Well done. You should drive on this part of the sidewalk. It's not so snowy. Oh, you got a track, don't you? You're driving in your track? Here he comes. He's gonna go get another load. Arlo and Tonka dump truck. Getting out the big red excavator shovel. Good work. I think he only has about 2,420 loads to go. Then Oma can get her car out.
This is a big gate. I can't get this whole big gate out.
Yeah, you can get it out. You might be here all day. He'll still be working when I'm drinking some Heinekens watching the Super Bowl, but that's okay. Put your shovel in there hard. Use your muscles so your shovel stands up. Is that a full load? That is a full load. All right. Arlo's gonna go dump another load down the snowy trail. There he goes. He's heading off to dump the load. Groundhog Day. Cold and snowy. The plow came through in the night, which makes the street pretty clean. But leaves a little bit of work for people who want to get their car in their driveway. It's pretty deep. Ernie's Toyota. Here comes a worker coming with a dump truck. Who are you? Are you Bob the Builder? Are you Arlo the dump truck driver? You need some new mittens? Are your fingers cold? There he comes. He's walking up on the big gate pile and whoa! Yay! Hi! What's your name, sir? What's your name, sir? Can you tell me your name and how old you are? 3? And what is your name again? Look at the camera and say your name. The people want to see your face when you say your name.
Hey, this not open. Open yet. It's not open yet. I can't get out.
You ain't going nowhere.
This is not shoveled yet.
Arlo has 2,420 dump truck loads to go. Then it will be all cleared out. Where do you want to go? Okay, we'll take you up there. Oma wants to go, but Arlo is slow on the shoveling. I think that his loader and dump truck are working hard, but I don't know.